tere tulemast tagasi vaatama loomasaadet Lemmikute lemmik. Kes oma loomaga tihti liikleb, teab, et tagaistmel peab ta olema korralikult ja turvaliselt kinnitatud. Ja et kui lähed matkale, võiks kaasas olla ka esmaabikomplekt. Kunagi ei tea, mis juhtuda võib. Hello, Anne. Today we're going to talk about safety wear and hiking wear for dogs. If I plan a hike, I need to take my dog in a car, first of all. Most likely. How is it okay to have my dog in a car so it's safe for him and her and for me as well?
Well, many people doesn't know that, for example, a Jack Russell, and if you are in a car crash and drive about 60 kilometers per hour, a Jack Russell becomes 90 kilos. And imagine that you're in a crash, and if you have a family member sitting here, the Jack Russell here, and he comes towards the neck, it's really important, not only for the dog, but for you and your family and friends, that the dog is secured in the car as well as, you know, your child or yourself with the seat belt. So it's really important.
How do you adjust your dog to a seat belt?
So in the beginning, the dog needs to get used to the seat belt, and also you need to get used to how to attach your dog. At Kurgo, we have a seat belt that is also a harness. So if you go for an adventure, you can use it as a harness during the adventure, and then you know, it's already on the dog, which makes the whole adventure easier. Then when you put the dog in the car, you just, there's two handles. You put the seat belt through the handles and click it. Yeah. So it's quite easy.
We know it's very tricky for even the kid to move when attached or when secured with the seat belts. What about the dog? How much can it move?
Well, with our Kurgo seat belt, it's, you know, it's not able to move a lot. It can lie down or then sit up. It's all about safety. So with our impact harness, it's tested in the same way as child seats are tested. So it's been tested with a dummy dog, not a live one, of course. And it's been tested on university level. So a dog up to 60 kilo in size L is really secure in this. Well, usually with harnesses, you just click it on. That's how you know it's not really like a seat belt for the car. Yes. So we have like metal, and you need to kind of flip it from underneath and then up. It's actually easy when you figure it out.
Okay, I go to the adventure. My dog is secured well with the proper harness, and I know I feel safe to drive. But when I go to the, let's say I'm going to take my dog hiking, and for that, there is also some special equipment that can come in very handy.
Yeah, we have this townie harness and county harness, which are really easy in a way because you can add stuff to them. You can add bags, a drinking bottle. Well, what people like the most is the first aid kit. So you can add a first aid kit to the harness, and the first aid kit is filled with everything you might need if somebody would, you know, if somebody would break a toe or
cut yourself.
Of course, you need to call for help, but it will stop bleeding. There is even an ice pack, there is small scissors, there is rope. So first aid kit is really cool. It can be used on people, the stuff in there, or then on dogs, cats, anything.
What about dogs? Do they actually like to carry stuff on their back?
The thing is that when you start off, you need to maybe just have the bags empty for a couple of times, just so the back gets used to having stuff there. The first aid kit doesn't weigh a lot. You can adjust it really accordingly to the dog. If you put a harness on the dog, usually there is
this end of the
It becomes
line.
muddy, it goes in the way. And Kurgo, you can stuff it into a little bag just underneath there, so it's safe and secure. You know, our products have lifetime guarantee. It's also Molle compatible. People who do maybe hunting and similar stuff, they have Molle gear on people, yeah, where you add on stuff. And our harnesses are also Molle compatible. Even a little bowl is suitable for this.
The coolest detail I saw was where you attach the leash. This little metal clip you can actually use in one other really awesome way.
All Kurgo products have a little sneaky bottle opener because when you go on adventures, you usually get thirsty at some point. So there's reflectors in all of them. They have lifetime guarantee. Our customer service have never got back a Kurgo product yet, so we're really proud of Kurgo.